time you can stick to the timetable. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspirational speech. Now, I would like to call upon our guest of honor for today's occasion, Dr. Rakesh Somani, to share his thoughts on today's occasion.
Thank you. The Honorable Dais, all the young, bright students sitting in the very attractive blazer here, the students sitting in the audience as well as the parents. I think I'll just extend what Dr. Venugopal has said. As you know that this education system is dramatically changing. We call it as Education 4.0, as Industrial Revolution 4.0 is taking place across the globe. And so education system is not a typically a kind of closed education system, but it is going to become an open education system, where online courses have just started, and days will come when you will be getting education, everything on online, and probably will not be, there will be a time when you need not go to colleges to seek the education. Because that is what is the, digital era is making about this education system. With that, since you all are pharma graduates, I have certain things to tell you. Since, pharmaceutical industry across the globe is changing, and of course, the government, particularly the present government, is also changing its, policies regarding the education systems. I see that the future of pharma industry is really bright. The future of pharma students is really bright. Startup culture is developing in this country. So rather than becoming job seekers, I would strongly recommend you to become job givers. And that is how the startup economy is going to change the entire situation of this entire nation per se. Most importantly, artificial intelligence, data analytics, machine learning, these are the added advantage. These are going to change our pharmaceutical field dramatically. And you students are at the right step where you should take the advantage of this artificial intelligence. So apart from doing your B.Pharm or master's course, you should also venture into this area, take some 1 year or 2 year courses in this area and try to get expertise into this, because down the line, your future in pharmaceutical industry will be around all this, what 3 or 4 fields I have told you. I repeat, those are artificial intelligence, data analytics, machine learning. And I think if you do this, your future is going to be certainly bright, and for sure, there will be lots of startup and employment opportunity in future. With this, I am really thankful to Dr. Shenge for inviting me here and the entire IPA MSB. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. We would now proceed with the unveiling of our annual magazine, Panache.
Good evening, dignitaries, parents, teachers, and everyone present here. I am Megha Jeeson, Editor-in-Chief for the year 2019-20. It gives me immense pleasure to address this audience on the final day of RX Bombay 2020 and the unveiling of Panache, the annual magazine of IPA MSB SF. Let me start with my experience of past 3 years in the editorial committee. In the beginning of second year, I came to know about the vacancy of position of cell member in this committee, and I was fortunate enough to be selected for the same. Since then, the past 3 years has been a period of transformation for me. It has not only nurtured my editing and creativity, but also has instilled in me a great deal of discipline, maturity, and decisiveness. In this journey, I have met some of the most talented and hardworking people with diverse mindset, but with the same goal to make Panache a memorable one, and that has been a driving force throughout the year. Panache in itself means exuberant and full of zest, which makes it an apt title for the 21st edition of our magazine, as it reflects the vibrance and vivacity of our theme, Bombay. I cannot stress this enough when I say that this magazine has been a team effort, so I believe a few thank yous are in line now. First, I would like to thank our mentor and Vice President of IPMSB, Dr. Anand Shedge sir, for his guidance and mentorship. Then to my team members for always being willing to learn and also for teaching me. I hope I have justified my role as head as much as you all have as editorial committee members. It is always a great help to have someone who has walked the same path as yours before you, as they can guide you through the loopholes and problems. So that person for me is ex-editor Devanshi Vora, and I thank her for her guidance. Now to my pillars of support, my parents. Thank you for cooperating with me for the past 3 years as I spent hours behind the computer screen editing the magazine. And lastly, thank you to all the committee heads. It was truly an amazing experience to be working with all of you and knowing that we all had each other's backs when the going gets tough. Now finally is the time to release the magazine, and I request my colleagues Ms. Lavina Kennedy and Ms. Akansha Modi to come on stage and give the magazine to the dignitaries. I request all the dignitaries to unveil the magazine.
Thank you, Megha. As we know that great complexities demand great simplicity. Mr. Manav Gandhi, the Pharmacy Education Officer of IPMSBSF for the year 2019 to 20, handles complex technical events with same simplicity and grace. I now call him to give a brief account on the technical events conducted throughout the year.
Greetings and a very warm evening to one and all. An ideal student is one that acquires a balance between extracurricular activities and academic excellence, and that is what we strive for. We organize and conduct events that are an amalgamation of knowledge, skills, and talents. The events being seminars, quizzes, paper and poster presentations, and a debate competition. We start off by organizing the annual orientation seminar for the first years with an aim to introduce them with the relevant topics in the industry. Furthermore, in the pre-RX phase, we organized the Maharashtra Pharmacy Congress, which was on clinical research and data management. Apart from conducting an intercollegiate debate competition, we also organized paper and poster presentations on subjects like pharmaceutics, pharmaceutical analysis, pharmacology, and medicinal chemistry. Finally, I'd like to conclude by stating that the entire tenure has been very successful and has been a learning curve. And I'd like to thank our mentor, Dr. Anand Shedge, for his continual support. Thank you. and I wish the next year, I wish the committee all the very best for all its future endeavors.
Thank you, Manav. As the famous saying goes, with great power comes great responsibility. A perfect example of this quote is Ms. Bijal Vanjara, the Cultural Secretary of IPA MSBSF for the year 2019 and 20. I now call her to give a brief account of all the cultural activities throughout the year.
A very good evening to all the dignitaries, parents, students, and teachers parents present here. This is Bijal Vanjara, Cultural Secretary of IPA-MSB-SF. It has been an exhilarating journey leading the enthusiastic team along with whom the committee has organized offline events such as Aesthetica, Snaptrack, Navratri function, and photography workshop throughout the year. I would like to thank my entire team who has managed to give justice to all their commitments and for supporting to make a successful RX, which was witnessed by enthusiastic participants with diversified judges. I thank IPMSB-SF for giving the entire team the opportunity to grow as a better person. I would like to thank our mentor, Dr. Anand Shedge, and my parents for their guidance. And also, I would like to thank my associates for always standing by my side. I would also like to thank all the other committees who helped the cultural committee to put up their events. Since I've been given this opportunity, I would like to celebrate the person that Matthew Sir was, and I can say that his blessings would always stay with us. I feel very fortunate to be a part of this aesthetic committee. Thank you.
Thank you, Bijal. A person who believes that teamwork is less me and more we is our sports secretary, Mr. Shivam Rai, the sports secretary of IPMSBSF for the year 2019 to 20. I would like to call him on the dais and share his experience and speak few words about the sports committee and the events conducted throughout the year.
First of all, good evening to one and all present here. So, sports teaches you character. It teaches you to play by the rules. It teaches you to know what it feels like to win and lose. It teaches you about life. My tenure as sports secretary for IPA MSB SF has been one filled with passion, enthusiasm, and determination. I would like to thank my mentor, Dr. Anand Shedge, my family for being my support system, my entire sports committee who never flinched whenever I assigned them the work, my college, Dr. L.H. Hiranandani College of Pharmacy, which gave me an opportunity to be its representative in IPA. I would like to mention and specially thank the former sports secretary, Ms. Gunjita Joshi, who always kept my spirit high all the way from the United States. Lastly, I would like to thank all the players who participated with utmost enthusiasm and upheld the spirit of sportsmanship. It takes minutes to win a game, but years of training to achieve it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shivam. Leadership is the quality of transforming visions into realities. A perfect example of this is Ms. Nikita Palande, the Vice Chairperson and Public Health Officer of IPA MSB SF for the year 2019 and 20. So now, I call upon Ms. Nikita Palande to brief about the PHO committee and its various activities that took place throughout the year.
Good evening to everyone. Build a team that is better than you. This has always inspired me to build a concrete team to make a grand and successful RX. My journey of Vice Chairperson and Public Health Officer in IPA MSB SF was like a roller coaster ride. Leading a committee such as Public Health Office that is solely dedicated towards healthcare and overall well-being has made me more responsible and helped me contribute toward the betterment of the society. As a public health officer, it gave me an opportunity to design the protocol, which consists of rules and regulations for conducting many health campaigns like blood donation camps, World Health Days, rural area camps, cleanliness drive, menstrual hygiene camps, innovative camps, etc., that every college associated with IPMSB-SF needs to follow in order to win the PHO Shield. The evaluation of all the public health campaigns conducted by various pharmacy colleges as per IPMSB-SF PHO protocol was conducted on 1st February 2020. It was great to see that all colleges took immense efforts to conduct and complete the campaigns under PHO protocol. The committee successfully organized an informative seminar on cancer and anti-cancer treatment, which was addressed by Dr. Sundaram Pillai, who is a consultant oncologist. We did the seminar at Bombay College of Pharmacy on 3rd December 2019. A crowd of almost 120 students from different pharmacy colleges attended this seminar. My backbone is my entire PHO committee, and I thank all my PHO members for supporting, helping, and encouraging me to conduct all the activities under PHO. Definitely, this wouldn't have been possible without you all. Thank you to our mentor and Vice President, Dr. Anand Shedge sir, for his continuous guidance. Thank you to all seniors, my parents, my whole IPMSB SF committee, and of course to all my friends. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nikita. The art of communication is the language of leadership, a quote which well suits our Public Relations Officer for the year 2019-20, Ms. Shambhavi Nabar. I now welcome her to brief us about the Public Relations Office and its functioning throughout the year.
Leadership is not about a title or a designation. It's about impact, influence, and inspiration. These humbling words by Robin Sharma have helped me stay true to myself as a part of my journey through IPA MSB SF. I, Shambhavi Nabar, the Public Relations Officer of the year 2019-20, am a firm believer of this. Showcasing our campaigns, events, and novel ideas on this platform of social media is what we stand for. Our social media content and approach is also a testament to the words spoken above. We are firm believers of social media having the impact of creating the change we need for the betterment of the society. Our work this year mainly aimed at celebrating the United Nations and World Health Organization Health Days through various interpretations and social awareness campaigns, along with making sure that these campaigns were accessible by everyone. Thus, my team and I would like to thank the Indian Pharmaceutical Association Maharashtra State Branch and our mentor and Vice President IPA MSB, Dr. Anand Shedge, for giving us the opportunity to be the platform of IPA MSB SF to explore ourselves, our interests, and at the same time, giving back our best to the community. I would also like to thank my former head public relations officer, Mr. Vinay Salunke, for being a constant help throughout the year. I owe the excellence and success of public relations to my team and all the other IPA members, without whom we wouldn't be where we stand now. I wish my fellow juniors good luck for the future years. Thank you.
Thank you, Shambhavi. It is said that a great leader is the one who balances leadership qualities as well as is down to earth in nature. Such is the spirit of Ms. Selena Swami, our student exchange officer for the year 2019-20. I would like to invite her to share the activities conducted by the student exchange office for the current year.
A very good evening to the respected dignitaries and my dear friends. I, Ms. Selina Swami, am privileged to have been given the opportunity of serving as the Student Exchange Officer of IPMSB SF for the current year. As it is popularly stated, practical exposure enhances better understanding than theoretical knowledge. This is what our motto is. The year started off with a blood bank visit at Samarpan Blood Bank at Sarvodaya Hospital. Not forgetting about the industrial visit, we have been successful in conducting 2 industrial visits at Genova Laboratories and Naprod Life Sciences. We have also arranged an hospital pharmacy visit to Safi Hospital. Before I conclude, I would like to thank our mentor, Dr. Anand Shedge, for his constant support and guidance. And I would like to thank my family as well as my entire SEO team for making this a great success and wish them all the very best for its future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, Selina. Handling the finance committee is not everyone's cup of tea. Now, I would like to call upon stage Ms. Pragati Navghane, the finance director for the year 2019 to 20, who does this job with national composure. I would like to invite her to brief us about finance committee and to express our gratitude to the sponsors of RX Bombay 2020.
Greetings and a very good evening to all the guests, dignitaries, and all my fellow IPM members present here. I am Ms. Pragati Navghane. I am privileged and honored to stand here as the Finance Director of IPMSDSF for the year 2019-20. As the Finance Director, I am very proud to present to you all our sponsors for the year 2019-20. Star sponsor, Abhiflax and Wellington Institute of Management Development and Research. Gold sponsor, Morpheus Pharmaceuticals Private Limited. Silver sponsor, Swaroop Agrochem, Gopaldas Vishram Private Limited, Short Glass and Alish Life Sciences. Beverage partner, Art Water. Media partner, Maharashtra Times, Sakal, The Free Press Journal, Pratikar Sandesh. Health partner, Generico. Camera partner, Snapchat. Hospitality partner, Paperboat. Study partner, ITM and Centrica Farm. Banking partner, Central Bank of India. Insurance partner, New India Assurance. Other sponsors include Chlorivat Water Purifier Private Limited, Peltec Healthcare Private Limited, Holly Institutes, RR Surgicals, Amon Engineers, Pharmalic Laboratories, Yogeshwar Implants, SNA Healthcare, Security Personnel Services, Dalvi Implants, Minitech Hygiene Makers, Cisco Research Laboratories, Panovision, SG Pharma, MJ Biopharmaceuticals, Meher Distributors, Gatafose, Advent Chem Bio Private Limited, JPN Pharma Private Limited, Konak Realtors. A very warm gratitude to all the sponsors without whom this event was not possible. I would also like to thank the entire team of IPMSBSF for their contribution this year. Before I conclude, I'd like to thank our mentor, Dr. Anand Shedge, for his constant support. I would also like to thank my family and my seniors, Mr. Yash Rohera, Mr. Pratik Chopade, Mr. Juzair Nazafi, and Ms. Sakshi Chaman for their constant support and guidance. Last but definitely not the least, I'd like to thank my finance committee for being strong pillars. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pragati. A genuine leader is not a searcher of consensus, but a molder of consensus. Mr. Abhay Javle, the executive officer for the year, is a perfect example of this. So, now I call upon Mr. Abhay Javle to brief us about the functioning of the committee.
Good evening, everybody. I hope you all are looking forward to this evening as much as we are. I, Abhay Javle, would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude towards IPMSBSF. Being an IPM member during my graduation course has been the most valuable and insightful experience, as it has helped me develop my leadership skills and explore myself as a person. On the same note, I would like to thank IPMSBSF and all my seniors, associated colleagues, especially Dr. Anand Shedge sir, for enabling me to the fullest of my responsibilities. I wish all the best to the participating colleges today. May the force be with you. Thank you.
The Student of the Year competition is organized every year by the IPA MSB SF. The aim of conducting this event is to bring out the best in students and encourage them to do better. So now is the time to felicitate the winners of the Student of the Year. Let us begin with the consolation prize. And the winner is Shubham Mewada from Dr. Bhanuben College of Pharmacy. I'd like to request our President of IPA MSB, Dr. N. Siva Prasad, to felicitate Shubham Mewada. I would like to request the guest of honor of the day, Dr. Rakesh Somani, to announce the second prize winner of the Student of the Year.
So the second prize for the Student of the Year award goes to, any guesses for that? Aditya Mhatre from Bombay College of Pharmacy.
I'd like to request the chief guest of the day, Dr. Venugopal, to announce the first prize winner of the Student of the Year.
The best student of the year, Mr. Ashish Kale from Galot Institute of Pharmacy. Give a big hand.
Congratulations to all the winners. Now, we would like to start with the felicitation of the pillars of IPMSBSF 2019 to 20, our committee heads. Starting with, I would like to request the President of IPMSB, Dr. N. Siva Prasad, to felicitate Rushi Mehta, the Chairperson of IPMSBSF 2019-20. I would like to request the President of IPMSB to felicitate the Vice Chairperson of IPMSBSF, Ms. Nikita Palande. Request the guest of honor for the event, Dr. Rakesh Somani, to felicitate the Cultural Secretary of IPMSBSF, Ms. Bijal Vanjara. Now, I request the Vice President of IPMSB and the mentor of IPMSBSF, Dr. Anand Sherge, to felicitate Shivam Rai, the Sports Secretary of IPMSBSF for 2019 to 20. I now request Mr. Satish Shah, Vice President of IPMSB, to felicitate Mr. Manav Gandhi, the Pharmacy Education Officer for the year 2019 to 20. Mr. Satish Shah, the Vice President of IPMSB, to felicitate Ms. Shambhavi Nabar, the Public Relations Officer of IPMSBSF for 2019 to 20. I now request Mr. K. Gadewar, Sir, Honorable Joint Secretary of IPMSB, to felicitate Ms. Selina Swami, the Student Exchange Officer of IPMSBSF 2019 to 20. I now request Mr. K. Kadewar, Honorable Joint Secretary of IPMSB, to felicitate Ms. Megha Jeeson, Editor-in-Chief of IPMSBSF 2019 to 20. request Mr. Vijay Kumar Gadge, Active Council Member of IPMSB, to felicitate Ms. Pragati Naughane, the Finance Director of IPMSB SF 2019 to 20. I now request Mr. Vijay Kumar Gadge, the Active Council Member of IPMSB, to felicitate the Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Abhay Javle, for the year 2019 to 20.
I'd like to make a few short announcement. The group dance event will begin shortly, so I request all the participants to get ready. To conclude the evening, I would like to call upon a person whose energy introduces her before she even speaks. That is Ms. Nikita Palande, the Vice Chairperson for the year 2019 and 20 and Public Health Officer, and I request her to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening, everyone. It's my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. Firstly, I would like to thank the Indian Pharmaceutical Association